Now that we have worked out the amount of grams or mils for each item in our recipe, we need to work out how much we're going to need per cupcake. So what we need to do is we need to start creating our formulae. So hit equals, and the recipe says 12 cupcakes. So I'm going to divide everything by 12. So in order to do this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the recipe quantity, and then I'm going to hit the divide button, well, the slash button, and 12. And then I'm going to choose enter. What I really love about Excel is how quickly you can do multiple calculations. All I need to do is grab that top right-hand corner, not top right-hand, bottom right-hand corner, and then click that, drag down. And what this will do is drag it all the way down. Now this one's not working because we have to work out per cupcake and we haven't done grams without eggs. So that's why in the instructions it's only to go to chocolate chips. What we need to do is just backspace and empty that, and we're going to go equals recipe quantity, divide that by 12. There we go, and that'll give us 0.33.